Welcome back everyone. Today's video we're going to discuss about Scrum. At the end of the video, this will allow you to do a certificate which will add plenty of value towards your professional career. So Scrum is all about managing change, increased ability to manage change in priorities, better visibility in projects, more alignment between business and IT, faster time to the market. So there are plenty of advantages in using Scrum concept. And let's move on, guys. So this certificate is certified associate in Scrum Fundamentals. So at the end of the video, you will be able to answer this questionnaire and get this certificate. This is awarded by Yeliz Obergfell, founder and vice president of SkillFront. SkillFront is offering plenty of certifications, very valid, very industry valid certificates. So you can log in and check all what they're offering. But this one is for free. Usually it costs you $149 in total, but today they provide it's free. The Certified Associate Scrum Fundamental program is a multiple choice online test examination that you can participate in from your device from anywhere around the world. The test contains 30 questions and you will have 60 minutes in single session to answer your questions. You'll get this badge as a reward. You can share in your LinkedIn. Along with the certificate, you can share, you can carry for your interviews, and also you can add to your CV, which will add plenty of value towards your profile. Okay, I'll be sharing the link in the description. So once you complete the video, once you go through the video, you can click the link and register for the exam and take the exam. I'm going to discuss all the questions and the answers in detail. So you'll have to go through the video and get all the knowledge. The link will provide you all the information on the course material as well. So all thanks to all credit goes to Yeliz for organizing this and for the certification, a valid certification she had given to all of us to achieve. So I hope you will join me until the end of the video, which will reward you with this certificate. All the best, guys. So without further ado, let's go to the first question. So what is important in all Scrum projects? The answers: self-organization, clear hierarchies in the company, communications, continuous improvement. Fine, for these answers for this question, we'll get it correct. Guys, post the video. If you have any doubts, just post and take a screenshot. So while you are doing the exam or before the exam, you can refresh your knowledge for each and every question, right? So with that, I'll move to the next question. What are the advantages of the Scrum framework? There are three. Fine-grained requirements are only defined when they are really needed. All activities to design, build and test certain functionality are kept together in one place. Changes are expected and welcomed by Scrum team. Once again, post the video or take a screenshot of your further studies. Guys, these questions are not in order. These are for your reference, which will make your life easy during the exam. All right. So who is responsible for maximizing the return of investment, or other words, ROI? The responsible person is the Scrum product owner. Fine, for this answer, we'll get this correct. The next question: in software engineering, what are the disadvantages of the classical waterfall model? Some requirements are implemented as defined in the beginning of the project, that is in the waterfall, and yet they are not really needed by the customer. Right? If you find this answer, this is what you have to select. The next question: which one of the main roles are defined by the Scrum framework? Okay, these are the answers you need to select: the Scrum team, Scrum master, Scrum product owner. Make sure you only select these three answers. With that, let's go to the next one. Where are the customer requirements stored? The answer is in the product backlog. Guys, these questions and answers also gives you very brief but very good knowledge about Scrum. The next one: what is not part of the Scrum product backlog? Detailed tasks, recurring meetings like daily Scrum, tasks for exploration of features, administrative tasks. So what is not part of Scrum product backlog? The next question, who is responsible for maintaining the Scrum product backlog? The answer is Scrum product owner. With that, we'll go to the next question. What is the Scrum backlog? A list of high-level requirements and use stories that needed to be done within the project. Guys, once again, these questions and answers are not in order as you get in the exam, so make sure that you go through them again and again thoroughly. The next one, which of the following is a user story? The answer is list of actions, items for login user operation. Next one, what is the correct order of steps during planning poker? Make sure that you go through the steps in the order. Number 1, the Scrum product owner present the story. Number 2, the Scrum teams ask questions. Number 3, each member of the Scrum team privately choose the card representing the estimation. 4, all selections are revealed. 5, people with high and low estimates are allowed to explain their estimate. 6, repeat until a consequence is found among the team members. Guys, make sure you go in the correct order, then only you get this question the correct answer. So these are the 6 steps. The next question, what metric is used to estimate the planning poker? The answer is the Fibonacci sequence. The example is also given in the answer itself. Make sure you select this answer in the exam. The next one, what is a release plan? You need to select 2, that is a guideline that reflects expectations about which features will be implemented and when they are shipped to the customer. 2, the list of milestones defined by the management. Make sure you select both the answers. Guys, if you like the video, if you think this is beneficial for you, if you think this adds values to your personal profile, for your CV, make sure you watch my other videos and click that fat subscribe button on the bottom to make sure that you will not miss any of the videos. So we are halfway through now, another 15 more questions to go. Share with your friends. I'm going to share a lot of videos in the future. Next one, why can the Fibonacci sequence be used to estimate backlog items? It fairly reflects the correlation between increasing complexity and increasing estimates. This is the answer you have to select. Next one, how much time should the Scrum team allocate to maintain the Scrum product backlog? The answer is about 10% of overall project. Guys, as you can see, these questions and answers are well designed for all the Scrum foundation knowledge. Next one, what are the properties of Scrum product backlog? Entries always add value for the customer. Entries are prioritized and ordered accordingly. The level of detail depends on the position of the entry. Entries are estimated. It is a living document. Make sure that you select all the answers, then only you get it correct. With that, we move to the next question. What is not true for the entries in Scrum backlog? In general, there are high-level estimates for product backlog entries. So this is the answer you need to go for. As told, these are very vital knowledge in Scrum. Next one, what is the goal of daily sprint meeting? Each member of the team gives a short info about what he did yesterday, what he plans to do next, and if there are any impediments. So this is also important, guys, not only for Scrum, this is also important for your PMP as well, because now PMP is more agile based exam. And then the next question, what is the goal of sprint review meeting? The answer is present and demonstrate the completed sprint backlog items. Next one, how many people should be in a Scrum team? Well, I've seen many answers in many books, but this is the answer you have to go for, that is 7 plus or minus 2. This is the answer they expect in this particular exam. So make sure that you select 7 plus or minus 2 as the answer. So as I told, take a screenshot so you can revise again and again. So next one, which one of the following meetings is part of sprint planning meeting? The answer is what meeting and how meeting. The answer is what meeting and how meeting. Guys, you get only one option to attempt this exam free of charge, so make sure that you get the maximum out of it. Make sure you review, you pause the video, you go back and forth and watch the video. Next question, which concept is not defined in the Scrum framework? The answer is Scrum product burn down. So it is not defined in the Scrum framework. Next question, which one of the following main events are defined by the Scrum framework? These are the answers: sprint planning meeting, sprint retrospective meeting, sprint review meeting, daily Scrum meeting. What is defined by the Scrum framework? The answers, the three answers: rules and roles, document guidelines, artifacts and events. Make sure you select all these three answers to get this question correct. Next question, what does not belong to the cornerstones of the Agile Manifesto? Processes over people. That's the answer, processes over people. Next one, what kind of software development projects can be executed by the Scrum project management framework? The answer is all kind of software development projects. Next one, what is the goal of the what meeting? The answer is to inform the team about what they need to implement next. So make sure you get a good review before the exam. What is necessary for the unsuccessful or rather successful what meeting? Once again, what is necessary for successful what meeting? The answers are a sprint goal, the relevant entries in the Scrum backlog are presented, the team knows their capacity. Make sure you select all three. Next one, what is the goal of the how meeting? To fill the sprint backlog by identifying the concrete tasks needed for complete implementation of the given features. With that, we move to the next one. Guys, this is the last one. What is the goal of the sprint retrospective meeting? The three answers: reflect on negative issues during the last sprint, define actionable suggestions to improve performance, reflect on positive issues during the last sprint. So make sure you select all three to get this answer right in the exam. So guys, that's about it. Now you are good to go. If you have reviewed, if you have revised all the questions properly with the answers, now you are good to take the exam. So make sure you revise properly, because you get only one time to answer them correctly and get the certificate, and comment below once you achieve the certificate, guys. So all the best. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel and share with your friends and get everybody to get involved and do these certificates for your credentials. All the best, guys. We'll see you with another video. Thank you very much.